In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to a specific date in Google Calendar. This is a really handy trick if you need to jump far into the past or future without scrolling endlessly. Maybe you're planning a vacation next year, checking an old appointment, or scheduling a project months in advance. Instead of clicking through week after week, Google Calendar has a quick shortcut that lets you jump straight to the exact date you want. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. You can be in any view you like, such as day, week, or month view. This shortcut will work the same way. Just give the page a second to fully load so everything is ready. Once your calendar is open, the key step is to use your keyboard. On your keyboard, press the letter G. You don't need to hold Shift or Control, just a simple press of the G key while your browser window is active. When you do this, a small Go to Date box should pop up on your screen. If nothing appears, click once anywhere on the calendar area to make sure it's in focus, and then press G again. Now you'll see a field where you can type the date you want to jump to. Click into that field if it's not already selected, and start typing. You can usually use different formats, like January 15, 2027 or 01/15/2020s, depending on your region. The important thing is that the day, month, and year are clear. Take a moment to double check what you've typed so you don't end up on the wrong day, especially when working with different date formats. When you're happy with the date you've entered, you have two ways to go there. You can click the Go button that appears in the pop-up, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Google Calendar will instantly jump to that exact date and update the view to show you that day or week, depending on what you were using before. From here, you can review any existing events, create new ones, or navigate normally around that time. And whenever you need to jump to another specific date, just repeat the same process. Press G, type the date, and click Go. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save you a lot of time when you're working with dates that are far apart.